Hello, everybody. How are you all doing? I hope everybody is safe, healthy, and positive at their home. This side Seema, and today's topic for science it's taken from class 5th. Topic for the day is disease. We all are aware of the term disease. Roughly, we have a knowledge what is disease. Today, we will be having or we will be getting the detailed knowledge about disease. In this video, we can see a worried mom is asking her daughter that why is she sad. Then the daughter says that her friend is ill and because of that she didn't turn up to school. Her mother asked her what happened. She said that her friend is suffering from chicken pox and the small girl is having the anxiety and the eagerness to know how we get sick or why do we fall ill. After viewing the video, we all have that question in our why. That why do we fall ill? What is the reason that our body is affected by disease? So today's topic and today's learning we will be able to understand what is the reason behind it. And the various topic that we will be covering in this section will be we will be defining what is disease. We will be knowing about the various type of disease that is communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Starting off with the disease, let us try to understand what is disease. Disease is a state in which body or organ of a body shows variation. That is, whenever our body or a part of body shows malfunctioning and is working abnormally, that is not in normal function, such type of changes are termed as symptoms. And when a body is having certain symptoms which are affecting our body and organs, these all symptoms are termed as or are indicate the presence of disease. Now, let us understand what are the various types of disease. So, types of disease are majorly of two types, that is communicable disease and non-communicable disease. We will be knowing about these types of disease in detail in further slides. Starting off with non-communicable disease. What are non-communicable disease? The disease that cannot be spread from one person to another. That is, the disease that cannot infect the healthy person from the infected person are the non-communicable disease, or that cannot spread from the infected person to healthy person are termed as non-communicable disease. Some of the very common examples that we can see around are the heart disease and also the blood pressure disease. These are the disease that comes under non-communicable disease. Now, this slide shows about the deficiency disease. Here we will be understanding the another kind of disease, that is deficiency disease. So let us try to understand what does the term deficiency means. Deficiency means the deficiency or the lack of certain nutrients in our body. Because of that, when our body suffer and have certain disease, we term these disease as deficiency disease. Most common type of deficiency disease that we can come around us is anemia. How is anemia caused? Anemia is caused when our body is having not sufficient amount of iron, or when our body lack iron nutrient in our body. So when we have the sufficient amount of iron, or to overcome anemia, we need to have the iron quantity in our diet. So we can get this iron from spinach, apple, brinjal, and lots of pulses. Coming to the communicable disease. Communicable disease are the disease that can easily spread from an infected person to a healthy person. The most common example that we all can see around us is COVID-19, the disease that can easily be spread from an infected person to healthy person. Therefore, social distancing is the only thing that has been recommended by the medical officials to avoid and being affected by this disease. Let's find out what all things we have learned today. We have learned about what is disease. Disease is the symptoms that our bodies suffer when certain part of organ or a body is malfunctioning or is abnormally functioning and not functioning properly. These kind of state we termed as disease. What are the various types of disease we have studied? We have studied communicable disease and non-communicable disease. With the covering small topic of today that we have done, here is a small home assignment which will help you in recovering or recapping whatever things we have learned. So the question will be, differentiate between communicable disease and non-communicable disease and try to give two examples of each. These are very simple questions, and we will be able to do it. In any case, if you are not able to do it, please comment below in the comment box so that I can give you the solution. And I hope I was able to make you understand about the topic. That's all for the day. Till we meet next, stay home, stay safe, and yes, please do like and share with your friends about the video, and do subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified about the next coming video on the topic of science and maths. And in the comment box you can mention about the topic related to science and maths on which you want me to prepare a video. Thank you.